Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be very quick, but I've had multiple comments and multiple questions in the help forum on my Discord server asking how you add clothing to Roblox Rigs Suite. And in this video, I'll be just showing you how simple it is and how you get the texture. Let's get started. Now here in Roblox Studio, first let me just say what a lot of you thought it was. A lot of people thought that you take the clothing from Roblox, as in from the catalog, and then you add it into Blender. You don't do that. What you do instead is you put it in Roblox Studio, save the model from Roblox Studio, and then put the texture from that model in Blender. So let me show you how to do that. Open a new experience, just right here. It'll just be a base plate. You can remove the basic spawn from here, and you're going to want to load your character. There are different ways of doing this. The simplest way is by going to Avatar, Rig Builder. Now here you want to add a blank avatar. It doesn't matter whether it is masculine or feminine, or it is a block avatar or a mesh avatar. The textures are all the same. So for this, I'm just going to add an R6 block avatar. You can add an R15 since Roblox Rigs Suite has R15 support as well. And in here, in the Explorer, if we just open the rig, you can click on this plus and you can add pants or a shirt. And this is classic clothing. So for example, if you've got clothing from Roblox Online, you just need to go to the URL and copy the asset ID, which is just this string of numbers. Go back into Roblox Studio once you add your shirt or pants. So this is shirt, for example, right here in the shirt template in the properties, you just copy that in and it should show up. By the way, if you want to add accessories to your rig, you just need to have the load accessories tool or load catalog items. That's what I do. There are different ways of doing this, but that's what I use and I've used it for the longest of time. I'll leave a link down below. But once you're done with all of that and you've added all your clothing in, you can then go to the humanoid root part and in the properties, go down to the C frame and change the position to 0,3,0, which just centers it to the base plate. It also means when we put it into Blender, it doesn't just show up in a completely different part of the scene. Then just close that, right click and export selection. Then just save it to your folder. I've called it some tutorial and I'm going to call the file name data. And then if we go right here to Roblox Rigs Suite, and we import a blocky rig, and see we have the rig right here. We select the rig, material settings, and we change the texture from here. Just find where you save the model and use the texture that comes with it. If we switch over to material view, which this can take a little bit because it needs to compile the Eevee shaders. There you go. As you can see, we have the texture with it. And you can add in your accessories by importing it as a wavefront.obj. Make sure it's split by group. And then you can attach the accessories using the attach accessories tool, or just by parenting it or adding a child of constraint manually. There you go. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. Bye.